ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ. Hello everyone. Today we are unboxing and set up this BIQU MicroProbe. So let's continue. So this is the basic information written on the box: the weight, the voltage, the ampere, everything is what inside the box. Here it's a 1 million lifespan. So let's see. Okay, inside the box here we are some wires. Okay, this is a two wires. Okay, one is short one is long one. Okay, this is really small probe and some screws inside it. I think M3 screws. I think this is the probe. It's really small. So okay, basically pin is this small pin. This is a metal pin. And some data is written on here. Pin functions, probe, ground, servo, voltage, ground, all this stuff is written there. So basically it's pretty much tiny from the other probes. Like this is usually common one, and this is the BIQU MicroProbe. Pin is plastic, this pin is metal. So this is the unboxing. Now we are try to set up this. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel. This written on here, a wire is a 1.5 meter, and on the top like here, so cable length 1.5 meter. I measure this cable, but it's not a 1.5 meter. So like it is only here 1 meter. The wire length is a 1 meter only. It's not a 1.5 meter. So this is a 1 meter, and I think this short one is not a half meter. So this thing is like not good. So this they written on here 1.5 meter, and they gave the 1 meter. That the thing is I don't like. MicroProbe GitHub. Download this BIQU micro step files there. Just model there. So download it and design a mount for it. This is my custom cube. I design some stuff, so I show this setup in new video later on. So basically I attach a micro probe here, design a mount, attach it there. So I'm going to add a wire from here to the all the way go through here, this nylon sleeving to back to the motherboard. Okay, I install a wire and slide through the nylon sleeving. So every wire comes here. Hope this wire is long enough to like reach to my printer back to the board. So let's see. Wire is there. It's going inside the sleeve and all the way back. So it's little short. So I need to reduce the height of the this nylon sleeving. So in that case that reach to the my stuff. So it's really, they said it's a 1.5 meter, but it's a 1 meter. So everything is there, everything is connection. Let's see. Let's power it on. Okay, it's doing. Blue light is here and the pin is doing. That means it's working, connection is good. Now go to the manual, MicroProbe manual. So they give you all the information, wiring stuff. I have a Octopus Pro motherboard. I attach it to it. So like Octopus and Octopus Pro has the same pins for a Pro PV6, PV7. So I copy this commands from here to the printer.config file. This G codes all this stuff. I copy this and paste it into the printer.config file. Okay, I add a probe section, paste the stuff there. Okay, that copy from the and add offsets value y z, how according to your mount designing stuff if you do it there. So the pin numbers, everything is there. So I add some speed, sampling, all the stuff that I want. So that things you need to like need to check into your clipper documentation. So Z safe homing, measure all this stuff and save and restart. After save and restart, here's some macros there. So it's deploying, stored. So the two macros, if you are going to check it, so like it's working good. Now you need to do a homing. Homing done. So if now I'm going to do Z offset. But if you have a quad gantry or do something a Z tilt, whatever that, use it. So you can easily maintain a bed and then do a Z offset. In 3 tries, quad gantry is done. Now doing a Z offset. And you just, if you don't know the command, just go to a question mark, then find a command there. Type a probe. You have a probe type stuff like there. So we are calibrating a Z offset. We click on there. Okay. So it's up to you if you want to preheat, if you want to do it in a working environment, so or not, that is all up to you how you want to do it. So right now I'm only for a show purpose, I'm doing like a normal. So this one, send the command, It's homing and going there. So now you need to use any kind of a paper or whatever that you are using. I'm using a filler gauge to feel it, the friction there. You just need to down, down, how much you want to like do it. Feel it. Now I feel a good friction. It's okay. It's okay. Now hit accept. Here's your value. Save the config and start. Save the config. So it save your value there. This one, or you can save it by manual. So take this value, go to your printer.config file and add there. When if you save the config file there, so your values come it's on the all the way down here in last of the printer.config file. In the last, it's there when you save it. Otherwise, if you want to add it manually, you just need to put the value here. Homing, z tilt, all this stuff, sorry, quad gantry, everything is done. Now we are doing a bed mesh, whatever you want to give a name there. So start a time. Let's see how much time it's take. 7x7 bed mesh. This is the bed mesh visualization. So I think it's took yeah, 3.5 minutes. For this 7-7 bed mesh. So this is the quality, range, variation, whatever you said. So like I have a previous from BL Touch. So the 60-degree temperature, it's BL Touch give a 0.157, and this one give you on 60-degree temperature 0.208. So this is a difference. So yeah, pretty much good. It's not that much difference, but yeah, okay, it's difference is there. Different is the difference. So this is the time it took. This is the variation. It's there. So bed mesh, all this stuff. So this is from a real touch. This is from our microprobe. So after this, you can check it. Now I'm going to do a first layer test. It's 120 by 120.2 layer. First layer. I'm doing this test. So hope everything is good. If you need to do something adjustment, you can go to the adjust your Z offset by the manually here if you want, if you need it. Okay, it's preheating done, everything is done. So it's start doing all the print start G code, like a quad gantry, all this stuff. What we are building is finished now. Now it's heating the nozzle, and after that it's start the print. Print is start now. If you feel like you need to do a raise it or lower it the Z height, so you can change a Z offset here. So click here to make it changes for a positive or negative position, going up or down. Printing looks okay for now. First looks okay. If you need something gap there or something else, then you need to adjust the Z height. Now printing is done. It's complete. Let's check the layer quality. This is a layer surface quality. This is from a back. It's okay. Yeah, you can. So you could. So this is how you can set up a microprobe. Like if you have a different kind of a motherboard, some motherboard information is available on the document manual. Different boards. there. And like if you want to set up into the Merlin, so the that information is there. Merlin, Clipper, all this stuff, even a rep information in this manual. Different kind of extruder mounts, the bracket is there. So if you have a custom, make your own stuff. Okay, now feedback. So first thing first, I design a first mount from the that GitHub page. Give us a CAD file for this one. So I design it. So it's not working. This mount, first mount, is not working because I think that CAD is not proper dimensioned. So when I dimension my arm, so then I design a new stuff. So then it's working properly, good. So the CAD is not there. So second, this small stuff is too small. The mounting points, it's small. Mm, it's too small to focus. Yeah. So this mounting, this one is too small. So I think it should be if this wide. So that's rigid. So it's too. I think if you like fasten the screw, like a force, accidentally you push extra force, so maybe it's break easily. So I think, and third, so this screw is not a M3, it's a two. It comes with the microprobe, so it's 2.5 screws. It's not M3. So we are using a M3. So it's not a M3, it's 2.5. So make sure if you want to do something extra stuff, so you have a 2.5. But again, if they give a M3 screws, that's like a good. So this hole is also like a 2.5. So if you try to drill it, maybe you break it. So if you try to drill it like a M3, so M3 is not fitting here. So like it's rough, so you need to do something there. So yeah, so I think if they make it this mounting holes brackets wide and rigid, it's good. So and provide M3 screws, so by default that's good. And main thing, they mention a wire length here and here. So the wire is not that long, so it's only 1 meter, so it's not that long. And this is a good product, so you can use it. So BL Touch, it's not making any another innovation stuff on the BL Touch, so it's like a long time. It's three that version 3 something out there. So it's small metal pin, and everything is like good. So no that screw adjustment there like in the BL Touch. So like a screw adjustment here, it's not there. No need to do any extra stuff. So no need to do any extra stuff. Same pins, it's working with the same pins, like, and same wiring stuff. So and the basically jack is also same. So here's a permanent magnet is there. Okay. So this is how you can set up your microprobe, and maybe if BQ watch this, listen, like make an improvement here. So please consider a like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching the video.